Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discussing Laravel 11 full course. This part 51 admin side SMTP setting HTML form in Laravel 11, and this is my official website www.errorsolutioncode.com. Let's start this video. First of all, my gem server already started Apache and MySQL, and this is a already run localhost PSP. My admin inside this real estate underscore Laravel 11. This is a database name, and this is a all table is available. Click this user table inside this is available multiple role wise is available. This role is a admin, agent and user, and first of all this admin login, and this my project is available gem folder inside this stdoc directory. This is a project is already open. This my Sublime text editor. Let's open this inside this directory inside this command prompt. Successfully open this directory inside this command prompt. Let's PSP artisan server and enter. Successfully. Please wait. This is a working fine. Good. This command, copy this URL and hit this browser. Successfully working good. And this /admin login, and this is a login screen is available. Let's admin login, copy this and paste here, and password is 12345678 and click this login, and not now. Successfully login. This is a dashboard screen is available. Let's inside this new menu create. Menu name is a SMTP. Let's first of all this sidebar open. Let's sidebar open. This is a sidebar resource view inside this available admin inside this body inside this is available sidebar. This sidebar open. Let's new menu create. Menu name is same here, copy and paste here. This is a SMTP save file. SMTP create and refresh this page. Inside this is a SMTP create. Please wait. Successfully this is a SMTP create. Good working. Let's this is the name says SMTP save file and refresh this page again, and this URL is available admin SMTP. Let's click this SMTP, and this is available admin SMTP inside. Please click this SMTP menu. Successfully available admin SMTP, same name is available. Miss a tag is available. Get method SMTP copy route folder inside this available 3 file, and last file is open web.php, and this is a admin login. This is a admin role wise login. Let's click this admin SMTP start and SMTP end route get, and this paste here. Let's new controller create. Controller name SMTP controller. This controller copy and paste here, and this name is a SMTP save file. SMTP update means list file. This list file save file. Let's copy this name and this now new controller open create. This is a paste here. Use app http controller, and this new controller name is a SMTP. Let's create this new controller app http controller. Inside this new controller is not available. This controller. Let's new controller is a create PSP. Successfully this controller is a create. Same here, this controller copy and paste here, and this is last is a close this. Let's SMTP name is a send this name SMTP. This is a not used. Let's remove this not use, remove, and this is a save file. Same with this function is available. This is a name SMTP. Successfully said. This is a controller. Good working. This is a close. This not use close, and this is a successfully created SMTP. Let's echo yes and die save file and refresh this page. successfully s is available. Good working. This is s is available. Let's remove return view admin dot smtp dot list means update file. Let's update file. Update. This is a create less smtp not available admin inside this file. This is a folder is not available. Successfully this folder. Let's create this folder. Admin inside this is not available. Let's new folder create new. Click this new folder. Successfully this folder is a create. Update. This is a new file is a create smtp inside this update blade.php. Successfully create. Let's hello save file and refresh this page. Successfully hello is available. Good working. Let's remove and check this profile. Profile is available. This profile is available. Same here. Control A copy. This control A copy and paste here inside. This is a paste here. Successfully paste. Good working. This is a list file. List file is available. This is a profile which is this about name. This is a not used. Let's remove this not use. Good. This is hello save file and refresh this page. Hello yes it is a working fine. Let's next is a check. This is a notification. Yes, this notification is a good. This notification controller A copy this copy all copy and close this smtp inside. This is a paste here. Successfully this paste. Good working. Let's this is a not use. This remove username. And first of all step by step this is a implementation smtp. This is it is not a sense as it is. This is a step by step update. This is a first of all this message is underscore message is a good. Save file. This is a message file is already available. This success message and error message. This is included. Let's smtp same here copy and smtp setting. Same yes smtp setting. smtp setting is a update. Save file and refresh this page. This is a smtp setting is a update. Let's click this. Working fine. This is a smtp setting inside this. First of all this app name. This is a app name is available. This first of all this first name is app name is available. Let's app name is available. This is a .env file. Check. This is a .env file. Inside this available app name. This is a dynamic value set. This is app name is a successfully implementation. Let's this successfully set. This is a name is a smtp update. This is a URL new create smtp update. First of all this is a app name. App name title is a app name. The same here copy and paste here app name. And this is a app enter app name. Save file. This is a app name is a set. Second is a this is a not implement. Let's remove. Save file and this is update smtp. Save file. Let's refresh this page. First of all this is a app name is a dynamic. This is a app name is a .env file inside. This is a app name is a dynamic. Next is a .env. This is .env mail host name port username password encrypt form and this is a form. This is a all field step by step implementation inside. The same here copy. Second field is available. This second field is available. This is a field is a .env file. Open. This is a mailer. The second field is available mailer. Let's implement mailer. This is a mailer is a implementation. implementation. This enter mailer. Save file. Successfully mailer. This field is a implementation. Successfully saved. Next is a copy. Same here, copy, and this is a copy and paste here. This field name is available. This host name. This is a host mail host name. This is a host name. Enter host name and this mail host name. Successfully this field is implemented. Let's refresh this page. Successfully set mailer host name. Next is available. This field name is a port, username, password, the step by step all implementation. Let's please writing this file step by step. And this successfully set. Next is a copy, paste here. This is a host name after available. This is a port number, port name, mail port. This name is available, mail port. Same here, mail port. Hot name is a remove, and this is a mail port. Mail port is a set. Copy and paste here, paste, and this is a next is a username, mail username, mail username. Successfully save file. Let's copy this name and paste here, and this next is a mail password. This is a mail password. Same here, copy. Otherwise this is a small capital words. This mail password, and this is a mail password. Successfully set. Next is a implement. This is a encryption. Same here, copy and paste here, and this is the next is a mail encryption. Mail encryption. Save file. Successfully let's mail from. Next is a implement mail from. This is a copy and paste here, and this is a mail form address. This mail form address. This is a mail form address. Same here, copy and paste here, and this last is a mail form in. Successfully all set. Good working. This is a fine. Successfully set. Please writing this file and successfully all set. Good working. This is a not useless. This is a all successfully is a available. Good working. This is a not implement. This is a not used. This is a already app name is already created. This is a app name. Same name is available inside this from app name. This is the same name, not a different name. Only same name is available. This is a app name is already created. This is a first field is a app name is a created. Otherwise not create. So let's already created. This is a app name. Successfully this is a form is a successfully set in this database name. Please writing this file SMTP. This is a get method. This is a sidebar. Please any doubt, so please contact this my official website. Error solution code in this is available. YouTube channel, Telegram, WhatsApp and Skype. Inside this lost project this is available. Inside this is all group is available. Facebook, Instagram, GitHub, Yahoo, and this my about. In any doubt, so please contact. This is all created. Please tell me new work. So please tell me any doubt. This is available. This my channel. Please subscribe and click the bell icon. New video not missing. And this is available Facebook, Instagram, GitHub page. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.